Well, root 5 is an irrational number. So since 2 is square of 4, 1 is square of 1, and 3 is square of 9. So we have obviously clear root 5 is square of 5. So root 5 is less than 2, but 3 is less than 5. 2 and 3 is the middle number of root 5. So thus root 5 is not an integer number. Then if root 5 is a rational number, so let root 5 equal to p divided by q. Q is not equal to 1. Obviously q is the values of greater than 1. So if square of 5 equal to p square divided by q square. That's why 5 equal to p square by q square. That's why 5q equal to p square divided by q. And here 5q is an integer number. On the other hand, here there is no common factor. There is no common factor p square and q. P square and q, since there is no common factor, between p and q. So p square divided by q, 5q is not an integer number. Therefore p divided by q may not be equal. Therefore p divided by q may not be equal. May not be equal to root 5. May not be equal to root 5. So we have to repeat it. These are obviously clear. Here 5q is an integer number. This is the integer number. On the other hand, there is no common factors of p square or q. Since there is no common factors between p and q, so p square by q and 5q is not an integer number. This and this are not a common factor. Therefore p square by q and 5q is not an integer number. Therefore p divided by q may not be equal to root 5. তার অর্থ p divided by q root 5 এর equal না. That's why this is not equal. That's why root 5 is, that's why root 5 may not be any figure like. Therefore the value of root 5 may not be any figure like as p divided by q. That's why thus the root 5 is not a rational number. Not a rational number. So root 5 is an irrational number. So then root. It's totally root 3 and root 5 are automatically, obviously all of the students are clear. This is the process. Two process are, you have to write now. This is the khata, and this moment are washing, and right now is the practice is same way. You have to washing this my channel, and obviously right now this the khata or practice any moment. Then obviously two ways are clear. This the memorize. Then obviously you should collect. This the process. This is the process, and this process is so much important, and you have to collect in vast knowledge. These the rational numbers and real numbers are or inequality chapter. So like, thank you.